Hello students, today we are starting chapter number 11, factorization. Factorization means splitting an expression into its factor. For example, if you have a number 6, then this 6 we can write 2 into 3. Here 2 and 3 are the factor of 6. Similarly, if you have an algebraic expression means combination of number and variables. Variables we can say alphabets, combination of numbers and alphabet with the help of addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. For example, if you have 2xy, this is an algebraic expression. So this expression we can split and write 2 into x into y. So here these 2x and y are the factors of 2xy. If you have an algebraic expression of two terms, here we have one term only. If you have two terms, suppose 2xy plus 3y, these type of algebraic expression, if you are having two terms and three terms, that we will learn in this chapter. First exercise is based on factorization by taking out the common factors. Now we will start exercise 11.1. We have to factorize these expressions. So first question is 8xy cube plus 12x square y square. We have to use here method taking out the common term. So first here two terms are there. First this and second this. First we will split out both the terms. So first term we have 8xy cube, which we can write 8 we can write as 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, and x, then y into y. Second term we have 12x square and y square. Always remember factor should be in prime number. So 12 you can write as 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. Then x into y into y. After this you have to take the SCF, or we can say the common term. So here SCF means highest common factor, which you have learned in lower classes. So you can see this 2 is common. So one time we will write. Next one more 2 is common. Then 2 and 3. This is not common. Then next one x. And after this one y here, and one more y is here. So here SCF is 2 into 2 4 x y square. It means this is the common in both the terms. So factors will be here 4xy square we have taken out the common. Now from first term what is left over? 1 2 is left over and 1 y is left over. So 2y. After this we have here in between plus symbol, so put plus symbol. From second term 3x. So this is the factorization of this expression. It is not necessary to do like this in long way. If you understood question properly, then directly you can do this step also. Second part of first question, 15ax cube minus 9ax square. So first term 15ax cube, if we factorize we will get 3 into 5. 15 we can write 3 into 5 into a into x and into x. 3 times x is there. Second term we have 9ax square. 9 we can write 3 into 3 into a into x into x. After this we will take the SCF. So 1 3 we will get here. After this 1 a, then 1 x and 1 more x. So SCF we have 3ax square. So factors will be 3ax square is common here. Then from first term 5 and x is left over, 5x In between we have minus symbol. From second term we have only 3. So 3ax square in bracket 5x minus 3. Next question number 2, first part 21py square minus 56py. So first term 21py square, we can write it as 3 into 7, 21 is 3 into 7, then p into y into y. Second term we have 56py. 56 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 7 the 56 into p into y. The next thing we have to take the SCF here. So common term we have to see, 1 7 is common, then 1 p is common and 1 y is common. So SCF is here 7py. Then factors will be 7py, which is common in both the term. Then from first term 3y. 3y is left over. In between we have minus symbol. From second term 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Second question, second part, 4x cube minus 6x square. 4x cube we can write as 2 into 2 into x and into x. Next is 6x square. We can write as 2 into 3 into x into x. Next thing we have to take SCF. So 1 2 is common and 1 x is common and 1 more x is common. So SCF is here 2x square. Factors will be 2x square is common here. Then from first term 2x is left over. In between minus symbol is there, and from second term 3 is left over. Next question number 3, first part, 25abc square minus 15a square b square c. So first term we will split out abc square. 25 we can write as 5 into 5 into a into b into c into c. Second term 15a square b square and c. We can write 3 into 5 into a into b into c. Then we will take SCF here. So 1 5 is common. Then 1a is common. 1b is common. And 1c is common. So SCF is here 5abc. So factors will be 5abc is the common term here, which we are taking out. Then from first term 5 and c is left over, 5c left over, in between minus symbol. From second term 3ab. 3ab is left over. Next, second part of third question. Here we have 3 terms. So all the 3 terms we will split out. X square yz, which we can write x into y into z. Second term we have xy square z. So x into y into z. And third we have xy z square. So x into y into z into z. Then we have to take SCF. From all the 3 terms we have to take out the common. So 1 x is common in all the 3. Then 1 y is common. And 1 z is common. So x, y, z is SCF here. Factors will be x, y, z is the common part. In bracket we will get from first term x. Then we have plus symbol. From second term y, again plus symbol, and from third term z. Next question number 4, the first part, 8x cube minus 6x square plus 10x. So first we have 8x cube, which we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into x into x into x. And next we have 6x square, which we can write 2 into 3 into x into x. And third term we have 10x, which we can write 2 into 5 into x. Next step, we will take the HCF of these three terms. So we have 1 2 common and 1 x common. So factors will be here. 2x is the common term. From first term, 2 into 2 4, x into x, x square. 4x square is left over. Then minus symbol. From second term, 1 3 and 1 x is left over, minus 3x, then plus symbol. And from the third, we have only 5. Second part of fourth question, 14mn plus 22m minus 62p. So first 14mn, we can split as 2 into 7 into m into n. Then second term we have 22m, which we can write 2 into 11 into m. Third term we have 62p. 62 we can write 2 into 31 into p. Next step we have to take the HCF. So you can see only 2 is common here. And we have only in 2 term, third term m is not there. So 2 is common here. Factors will be 2. From first term 7 into m square. Then plus symbol. From second term 11m. Then minus symbol, and from third term 31p. These are the factor of this. Next question number 5, first part, 18p square q square minus 24pq square plus 30p square q. First to do the factorization of each term. 18 we can write as 2 into 3 into 3 p into p into q into q. Second we have 24pq square. 24 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 and 8 3 is 24 into p into q. Last term we have 30p square q, which we can write 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3 is 6, 6 5 is 30. P into q. Then we have to take HCF. You can see 1 2 is common in all the three terms and 1 p is common and 1 q is common. So HCF is here 2pq. So factors will be 2pq is the common term. From first term 3 into 3 9 pq minus symbol. From second term 2 into 2 4, 4 3 is 12 q. From third term plus symbol 3 into 5 15 p. Next fifth question, second part, 27a cube b cube minus 18a square b cube plus 75a cube b square. So first term, if you will split, you will get 3 into 3 into 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27. Then a into a and b into b. Second term 18a square b cube, which we can write as 2 into 3 into 3 into a and b into b. Third term we have 75a square b a cube b square, which you can write 3 into 5 into 5. 3 5 is 15, 15 5 is 75. Then a into a into b. Next we have to take the HCF. So you can see we have 3 common from all the 3 terms. 1a is common, one more a is common. So a into a, or we can write it as a square. Then 1b is common and one more b is common. So 3a square b square is common here. Factors will be 3a square b square in bracket 3 into 3 9 ab, then minus symbol, 2 into 3 6 b, then plus symbol, 5 into 5 25 a. Next question number 6, first part, 15a 2p minus 3q minus 10b 2p minus 3q. So in this type of question, this whole bracket, this is we have to treat as 1. So we can take it as x. Let 2p minus 3q is equal to x, or some any other alphabet you can take. You should not take the same alphabet whatever we are using in this question. So suppose we have taken x. So 15a x minus 10b x. Now 15a x, if we split here, then it will be 15, we can write 3 into 5 into a into x. And this 10bx we can write as 2 into 5 into b into x. So here common thing is this one 5 and this one x. So SCF is 5x. So factors will be 5x in bracket 3a minus 2b, and later on at last you can replace the x value. Actually x is 2p minus 3q. So 5 2p minus 3q 3a minus 2b. Next, sixth second part, 3a x square plus y square plus 6b x square plus y square. So let this x square plus y square is equal to p. So it will become 3ab plus 6b p. So if we do the factor of 3ap, we will get 3 into a into p. And if we do the factor of 6abp, then we will get 2 into 3 into p into p. So here SCF will be 1 3 is common in both the term, and 1 this p is common. So 3p is here SCF. Factors will be 3p, in bracket you have a, then we have plus symbol, 2b, and at last this p value you can replace. P is x square plus y square a plus 2b. Next is seventh one, first part, 6x plus 2y whole cube plus 8x plus 2y whole square. So let this x plus 2y, this whole bracket is equal to p. Then we can write it as 6p cube plus 8p square. If we will do the factor of 6p cube, we will get 2 into 3 into p into p into p. And if we do the factor of 8p square, we will get 2 into 2 into 2 into p into p. Then SCF common term will be 1 2 is common, 1 p is common, and one more p is common. So p square, 2p square is SCF here. So factors will be 2p square common term we have taken out. From first term we have 3p. From second term we have only 4. Now this p we can replace. 2p is x plus 2y, x plus 2y whole square another bracket we have 3, and here also we have to replace p. X plus 2y plus 4. These are the factors of this. Next is 17th second part, 14a minus 3b whole cube minus 21p a minus 3b. So this and this bracket is same. We will take it. Let a minus 3b is equal to r. You can take any alphabet. So now it will reduce to 14r cube minus 21pr. If we do the factor of 14r cube, we will get 2 into 7 into r into r into r. And if we do the factor of 21r pr square pr, then we will get 3 into 7 into p into r. Next step, we have to take the SCF common term here. So one 7 is common and one r is common. So factors will be 7r. In bracket we have 2 into r means 2r square, then minus 3p. Now this r value we can replace. 7r is a minus 3b, then 2a minus 3b whole square minus 3p. Next question number 8, 10a 2p plus q whole cube minus 15b 2p plus q whole square plus 35 2p plus q. So here this 2p plus q, in all the three terms it is there. So we will take, let 2p plus q is equal to r. Then this expression will reduce to 10ar cube minus 15br square plus 35r. Next we will split out all these terms. First 10ar cube, we can write it as 2 into 5 into a into r into r into r. Second 15br square, we can write 3 into 5 into b into r into r. And third term we have 35r, which we can write 7 into 5 into r. Then we have to take SCF. You can see here one 5 is common and one r is common. So 5r is SCF here. The factors will be 5r common term you have to write outside the bracket, then inside the bracket 2ar square. 2ar square, then we have minus symbol, 3br, then plus symbol 7. And next you can replace this r. R is 2p plus q, inside this bracket 2a 2p plus q whole square, because it is r square, then minus 3b 2p plus q and plus 7. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood these questions. Practice these questions yourself also. Thank you for watching our video.